For 35 years, presidents have called for American astronauts to return to the moon. President Donald Trump took the first decisive step during his first term when he created the Artemis Program. He recommitted to this endeavor when he signed America's space superiority policy, which not only calls for a return to the moon, but to build the lunar base and establish an enduring presence. This responsibility rightfully falls on the world's most accomplished space agency, NASA, to achieve. We have taken positive steps, but the moment for focus and urgency has arrived. In the weeks ahead, America will send the brave Artemis II astronauts further into space than ever before, around the moon, on a 10-day mission that will test the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft before returning to Earth. As the plan stands today, the next mission you would see launch is Artemis III, which would attempt a crewed landing on the moon in 2028. Launching a lunar rocket every 3 years is not a strategy consistent with success. We are learning the same lessons because skills atrophy without repetition. In fact, across all NASA programs, from Mercury through Space Shuttle, this is by far the lowest launch cadence in the history of America's space program. The plan is not evolutionary in design, but instead reaches for a fully realized end state without building the foundation required to achieve it. In alignment with President Trump's national space policy and making the absolute most of the resources provided under President Trump's Working Family Tax Cut Act, along with the funding and support of Congress, we are altering the plan and bringing extreme focus to this grand endeavor. I'm pleased to announce the following. We will standardize the remaining SLS rockets to a near Block 1 configuration. We will strengthen our workforce and rebuild our core competencies in ground systems and stacking operations, bringing down pad turnaround times, and accelerate our launch cadence from every 3 years to every 10 months. We will pull in Artemis III and launch in 2027 with the aim to rendezvous with one or both lunar lander providers in low Earth orbit, gaining confidence in lander and XEVA suit systems. We will then prepare for up to 2 lunar landing missions in 2028. In the 1960s, NASA achieved the near impossible in an evolutionary way. We flew Mercury, Gemini, and many Apollo missions before landing on the moon. While we have learned much since then, with enhanced capabilities supported by the best industry partners imaginable, we cannot always jump straight to the desired end state. We need less needless complexity, less distraction, more launches, more operational muscle memory, and extreme focus on the mission. We gladly accept the challenge of returning NASA astronauts to the moon after more than a half century, and this time, to build a moon base to stay. This is the NASA that once changed the world. This is the NASA that will do it again.